All right, so today we're doing a deep dive into something I think is a really interesting shift we're seeing. Businesses are starting to look closer to home for their web design, kind of moving away from those huge global agencies.
They really are. And our source for this, the Easy Gold website, puts a real spotlight on why that is.
Exactly. So our mission here is to unpack their insights and find the biggest, most tangible benefits of working with a local WordPress agency, specifically for you if you're operating right there in Devizes UK.
And it really boils down to something simple, doesn't it? It's not just about hiring a vendor. It's about having a strategic partner.
A friend to the business, almost.
That's a good way to put it. They're not just building a pretty website. They're creating something that fits into the local economy because they are, literally down the street.
So let's talk about that. What's the core advantage?
It's pure localization. A nearby agency inherently understands the Devizes market, the people, the customer preferences, and crucially, the community's culture. That local insight means they can use imagery, maybe reference local events.
Things that signal authenticity.
Precisely. People in Devizes are going to trust what feels homegrown because it is homegrown.
But trust is one thing. The technical side has to be solid, right? And the Easy Gold material was very clear on a few non-negotiables.
I imagine responsive layouts are at the top of that list.
Right at the top. And it's more than just looking good on a phone now. It means the site has to be fast, and it has to hit Google's core web vitals, which is essential since so much UK traffic is on mobile.
And if you're not optimized for mobile, you're practically invisible.
Which brings us to the next point, SEO. Search engine optimization.
Helping people find you.
Exactly. And again, it's that local expertise, not just general keywords, but optimizing things like local schema markup.
That's the hidden code, isn't it? The bit that tells search engines your address, your opening hours.
That's the stuff that makes you show up when someone nearby is looking. It's crucial.
And that brings up another point. Beyond just being visible, what about being, secure and compliant?
The operational side of things.
Yes. A local agency is going to be intimately familiar with all the UK regulations. We're talking about things like GDPR, data privacy,
and accessibility standards like WSCAG.
All things that a remote agency might not be so focused on for the UK market. It's about mitigating risk.
And I suppose that local proximity helps with support too.
Oh, massively. Instead of a long email chain across different time zones, you can have an in-person consultation right there in Devizes.
Solve a problem in an hour instead of 3 days.
That's what builds real trust.
And we saw compelling evidence of this in the Easy Gold sources. They had some really specific success stories.
The real-world results.
Yeah, they mentioned a local cafe in Devizes, for example. A local agency helps them build a beautiful site to showcase their menu and get online orders going.
So it directly helps boost sales and actual foot traffic.
And the numbers back it up. They talked about one retail store that got a redesign and saw a 30% jump in online sales.
30% is a huge increase.
It really is. It just proves that a professional, localized design isn't just a cost. It's an investment that drives revenue.
But how do they actually measure that? How do they know what's working?
Well, that's where the data tools come in, like Google Analytics.
Right, so you can see not just how many visitors you have, but what they're actually doing. You can see where potential customers might be dropping off during checkout.
So you can make smart decisions to improve things. It's not just guesswork.
Not at all. It's a continuous cycle of improvement.
So to sort of bring this all together,
But
the main takeaway here seems pretty clear.
I think so.
Getting that local expertise is a vital strategy for local success. They know the rules, the trends, and the customers in a place like Devizes.
Couldn't agree more. And looking ahead, the source material hinted at what's next. AI, voice search.
Hey Google, find a business near me.
Exactly. Which leaves us with a final thought for you to consider. With these new technologies coming so fast, what's the next new trick, the next digital feature that's going to help your business not just keep up, but truly stand out?